Human rights issues have recently been placed on the agenda of many meetings and conferences due to the urgency of providing solutions to the problems in rapidly developing countries. Human rights are international norms that help to protect all people in the international community from severe political, legal, and social abuses. They are addressed primarily to governments, requiring compliance and enforcement. The main sources of the contemporary conception of human rights are the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the General Assembly Resolution 217A, Section 3 of December 10, 1948, and the many human rights documents and treaties that are followed by such international organizations as the United Nations, the Council of Europe, the Organization of American States, and the African Union. The protection of physical and intellectual property has been addressed in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948, and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, 1976. The present training session is designed to lay the foundation to understanding these documents, the importance of protection of all types of property, and how to enforce protection of property under the law. The purpose of this workshop is to discuss all human rights internationally acknowledged, including the right to protection of property as protected by the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. During this session, we will discuss the purpose of the training and how each trainer will help the participants attain their goals. Discussions will include the rights protected by the Declaration, with special attention to property rights protected by Article 17 and Article 27. To better understand how the United Nations protects human rights, trainees will be divided into groups and assigned questions such as, to whom does the Universal Declaration of Human Rights apply? Why is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights important to you? Or, what is the first human rights declaration adopted by the United Nations? The second morning session will include a discussion of the structure of the International Bill of Human Rights and its role in the protection of human rights. The afternoon session is designed to provide the participants with an understanding of definitions of various types of property, its characteristics, inherent rights of its owners, ways of legal and illegal disposing of property, and reasons behind its proportion. The afternoon session of Day 1 concludes with a discussion of intellectual property and rights of its owners. Discussions will be given on what constitutes intellectual property. Such items as patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets will all be areas of discussion. Day 2 of the workshop is designed for the purpose of educating the participants about existing international documents that protect intellectual property rights worldwide. This session culminates with a discussion of intellectual property disputes in Cuba and their historical perspectives. The afternoon session of Day 2 presents a workshop designed to train the participants about identifying property problems and ways of resolving property claims. The workshop consists primarily of organized discussions and prepared presentations of research findings.